This session here, I want to talk about a little used feature in the work orders that really has a great advantage. So here I have this vehicle. It's a 2020 Freightliner that we're working on, and we're going to do it. We came in for a PM service. Now what I did was I just used our diesel oil change package, but set the labor, put on some oil, my oil filter. And since we're going to do a PM service, we're going to do a couple fuel filters and an air filter. Now, this Freightliner that I work on happens to consist of part of a fleet. So there's quite a few of these Freightliners of this engine that I work on. So instead of having to create this in the setup, I can actually take a package, put it on a work order, change the package, and I can even go in here and rewrite the title or that little description here. So I can edit that. So I might say, well, this is, for example, Freightliner Cascadia or whatever. And then you can put in, engine size or whatever. What you want to do is change this title a little bit. Now, what I want to do is I want to make a copy of this package so I can reuse it over and over. And if you notice, all these parts, I actually pull these all from inventory, so it'll automatically pull them from inventory the next time it comes in. So what I'm going to do is once it's boxed in and I have it set, I'm going to go up to Utility. And I want to create template. There it is. I got it set. Now I can even move it from one category to another if I want. I can maybe even code it. So I'm just going to call it FRT just for the heck of it. And now I'm going to save a copy of it. So now I've created the template and saved a copy. Now let's just go post this out and see what happens. So I'm going to go post this. Oh, PO number required. I'm going to have to do that. We'll throw a PO in here. Post it out. And we'll put that on account. So that's posted out. So another one of those Freightliners comes in eventually. I can go up here, start a work order. Now again, I can do it from here or prioritization, either place. I'm going to pull up the contact, select a Freightliner. I'm going to hit next. I'm going to create a new work order. Let's go pull code FRT and see what happens. There's that package. I'm going to add it to the ticket. Whoop, might want to put on my inspection. Click on next, and let's get it to the work order and see what happens. And we'll put in some current mileage. Let's just say it's at 300,000 now. Pick a service advisor here and a technician if we want. No fluid capacity on this because this is not cataloged in the system. So there's all my part numbers and everything I need. So what do I do now? Well, I could just box it, go to catalog, and I'm just going to go into inventory here. There's my oil, click, apply. There's my oil filter, click, apply. Guess I don't have that one. Or is it in a different place? Let's go look. There it is. Click, apply. instead of just going right down the line. And I'm pulling it all out of inventory. So what if it was a part that I ordered in? Then I would just go to the catalog and look for it. That's all. It'll still save the part number and the description. But the idea is the fact that you can take a service package, customize that package, save it, and then you can reuse it over and over. So it's really great for the stuff that's very repetitive, very repetitive. And I don't have to go to the setup to do that. I can do it right out of the work order. So what happens if I were to do this and I post it out to an invoice, and after I make it an invoice, I want to save a copy of it? Well, go down to your invoices, pull that invoice up, open it, box the job in, create a template from here. So I can do it from here also. Either way. So I can do it in a work order, or once it's been posted out to an invoice, I can copy it. Save you a lot of time from trying to build them in the setup because you're making the job anyway here. That is how to use a template in a work order or an invoice.